So the history of Larsen & Toubro dates back to 1938. Mr. Hawk Larsen and Mr. Soren Toubro, two Danish gentlemen, they used to come to India for selling dairy product making machinery. And at that point of time, when they were in India, the World War broke off and they got stuck in India. Then they decided to start a business in Larsen & Toubro. They started repairing various equipments, vehicles, and started repairing ships. And then they had a construction friend who is Mr. Mortensen, and they started construction wing also. Slowly as India went towards industrialization, L&T started opening up new business areas. L&T came up as one of the major Indian engineering industrial company. Today what you are seeing is a part of that.
Adding life to your big ambitions. UltraTech, India's #1 cement.
So today L&T is 1.5 lakh crore of turnover. Larsen & Toubro as a company values the highest about the people, and Larsen & Toubro over the years had been one of the best employers in the country, and I think going forward Larsen & Toubro will be standing tall because of this particular strength of Larsen & Toubro. And we have been involved into various very important mega projects. So Mumbai Airport, say for instance, is a very complicated brownfield projects, no spare land to build the new airport. So the entire thing was done during the phase when traffic was growing at a very consistent rate. The biggest challenge was there was a Shivaji statue in the middle of the terminal, and we were building around the Shivaji statue to make sure that we are giving the proper respect to the people who worship. We had to take a scanner to trace along the entire ground to make sure that we don't puncture a very important utility or don't cut any cable which is supplying power or communication to the terminal. At the same time, the entire area was surrounded by a lot of slum dwellers. Our every activity was to be done in such a manner we don't pollute the environment. Number two is the Trans-Harbour Link, which we are building now. There was initially a problem about Trans-Harbour Link being jeopardizing the ecosystem. We did a lot of studies to make sure that we are understanding the time when the migrant birds are coming, and accordingly we made our entire program. Thirdly was the Navi Mumbai Airport, which is just going to start now. That also had a lot of issues. Mumbai Metro was another challenging task. Mumbai Metro started the southernmost part was in the middle of very high-ended residential area and commercial area, where we had a lot of objections from the people to actually install our tunnel boring machine and do tunnel boring. But we overcame this problem by patiently trying to convince everybody. And today the biggest project we are handling is high-speed rail between Vapi to Baroda. Our total stake in high-speed rail is about 40,000 crores, which in our opinion is the biggest challenging project to be finished in 48 months time, and we are well on course. And L&T over the years has developed 2 or 3 major competencies. One is construction, obviously, EPC construction, and is manufacturing. We have got very high-ended, mega-scale factories. Subsequently, L&T went into defense, L&T went into real estate, L&T went into heavy engineering manufacturing. So in other words, L&T will be having 3 major verticals. One is obviously construction, another is services, and third one is technological areas of development. Anything that is going to conserve the environment is of highest importance to Larsen & Toubro in every field of business. Difficulty makes us feel more motivated, and more challenges give us a lot of inspirations. Construction world comes out with the right kind of technological updates time to time to bring in best practices across the world to India.